In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Ads account to HubSpot. To do that, first head over to Marketing and select Ads. Once we're in there, just locate the option to connect your accounts. We have in here ad campaigns, ad sequences, and the likes. If you can see the option to connect your Google Ads, that typically means that you've already connected your Google Ads from there. So you can just proceed to actually create an ads account. So for this case, you can also try to search for Google Ads onto the actual Google or the actual HubSpot right here. We have Google Ads right there, typically found in the settings. Now, as you can see, I've already connected one, but you can also connect it another by clicking onto this connect account and choosing your ad network right here. So from in there, this will open right here, this new tab, where will you be prompted to sign in. Let me head over and open right here my Google account. Now this will load for a while. Click on continue. Now just proceed and follow the on-screen instructions that we have ready right here. And once you have done that, it will actually connect it right here. So if there's some error, you can also double check what might be done to actually remove that error. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.